Hi everyone and welcome back to the Crazy Hands Knitting channel. Today we are knitting a super easy hat that's great for men or anyone who loves a classic style. We will keep it simple, just knit and purl stitches so it will be perfect even if you are a beginner. Beautiful crown but still can be covered with pom-pom if you do not like it. For this hat I was using circular needles 40 centimeters, the length and the size 4 millimeters. You may use 4.5 or 5 millimeters for the bigger size. I'm using acrylic yarn today, but it's of course better for the winter hat to use woolen yarn or merino. So grab your yarn and needles and let's make this cozy hat together. Using long tail cast on method, cast on 80 stitches or 88 stitches, multiple of 8, any number, and plus 1 extra stitch because I'm going to use the stitch to join and knit in rounds. Now, because I want to have a folded brim for this hat, I'm going to turn now all stitches, and now you see the working yarn is coming from the left side now. Slip the first stitch to the left hand needle, then pick up the last stitch and slip it over and drop it off the needle, slip it over the first one, pull tails and return first stitch to the left hand needle. Please place stitch marker. And the first row of the ribbon we need to start not with a knit stitch but with purl stitch. So purl 2 and then knit 2. It will be better for the main part, especially if you're not going to knit a folded brim, and you will see why later. So purl 2, knit 2 ribbon, go on repeating around purl 2, knit 2. Purl 2, knit 2. Purl 2, knit 2. Please go on till the stitch marker. Round number 2 will be the same as the first round. Purl 2, pull this tail, knit 2, purl 2, knit 2. So finish this round, purl 2, knit 2 till the stitch marker, and after that go on repeating ribbon until it reaches 13 and a half centimeters. Let's measure. The ribbon measures now almost 14 centimeters, 13 and a half centimeters. And let's get started with the main body part. Purl 2, and you see we start with 2 purl stitches, and now knit 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And these 8 stitches we are going to repeat. So let's count it as round number 1. Purl 2, knit 6. purl 2, knit 6. Go on repeating till the stitch marker. Round number 2, purl 2, knit 2, purl 2, knit 2. So it is a ribbon, yes? Purl 2, knit 2, purl 2, knit 2, purl 2, knit 2, purl 2, knit 2. Go on repeating. Round number 3, purl 2. So we go on repeating round number 1, purl 2, knit 6. And repeat. Purl 2, knit 6. Purl 2, knit 6. Repeat. Round number 4 will be the same as round number 2. Just a ribbon, purl 2, knit 2, purl 2, knit 2. And again, purl 2, knit 2, purl 2, knit 2. Round number 5 will be the same as round number 1. Purl 2, knit 6. And again, purl 2, knit 6. Go on. Round number 6 will be the same as round number 2. Purl 2, knit 2, purl 2, knit 2. And repeat, purl 2, knit 2, purl 2, knit 2. Round number 7 will be the same as round number 1, purl 2, knit 6, and again purl 2, knit 6, purl 2, knit 6. And the last round. After that we are going to repeat everything. Round number 8, purl all stitches. Please go on till the stitch marker. That's it. After that we are going to repeat everything from the round number 1, purl 2, knit 6, and again purl 2, knit 6. Go on repeating last 8 rounds until the hat reaches about 20 centimeters. And here I am. So I repeated the pattern. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times. After that I repeated round 1, 2 and 3. If we measure the hat now, it is exactly 20 centimeters. And let's start shaping the crown. Let me finish. The first round of decreases. Purl 2 together. And after that, knit 2, purl 2, knit 2. And repeat. Purl 2 together. Knit 2, purl 2, knit 2. And again, purl 2 together. Knit 2, purl 2, knit 2. Go on repeating. Round number 2. Purl 1. Now knit 2. Next 2 stitches, knit 2 together and knit 2. Great. Let's repeat. Purl 1, knit 2, knit 2 together and knit 2. Please go on repeating till the stitch marker. Purl 1, knit 2 together, knit 2. Round number 3. So, purl 1, then knit 2 together, purl 1, and again knit 2 together. Let's repeat again. Purl 1, purl 1, knit 2 together, purl 1, knit 2 together. So purl 1, knit 2 together. You can switch at this point to double pointed needles if you want. And again, purl 1, knit 2 together. Purl 1, knit 2 together. Purl 1, knit 2 together. Please go on repeating till the stitch marker. Round number 4. Knit 2 together. And then again, knit 2 together. And let's repeat. So knit 2 together, around. Knit 2 together, knit 2 together. Go on repeating. Round number 5. Round number 5, knit all stitches around. You can stop at this moment. I'm going to knit round number 6. Again, knit 2 together around. Knit 2 together, 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 knit 2 knit two together, knit two together. Please go on, repeat until the end. That's it. If you want, you still can knit one more round without decreases, just knit all stitches. That's optionally. Now cut the yarn, leaving 15-20 centimeters tail. You will need a yarn needle and slip all stitches. Slip, and here slip. Pull tight to close the crown, and here it is, really nice and neat crown. Pull the tail underneath remaining stitches once more, and weave in ends on the wrong side. Let's make a knot. Cut the yarn, and we have one more tail here. Weave it on the right side here. Weave it in. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial with me. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss out on any new projects. And as I said at the beginning, you may use the same yarn and make a yarn pom-pom. Again, thank you so much for watching, and see you soon in my next video tutorials. Bye!